Help me.
Okay. So you're not working hard, eh? Right. And forward to trap. Forward, tap, tap, tap. Good. Now learn what you do. Do you understand? Yeah. Good girl. Well, you did a good job. You feel that? One change the rein. And you can draw on the other rein.
Yay. What a difference.
Up. Get up, you late. Good. You feel that? Oh my God, you don't need me anymore. Quick, shift it. And mate, you bloody hell. Fuck, I'm a bitch. So you don't ride me that I don't want to be last tomorrow. Tired and grumpy. Oh, you feel that? Look at you. I should have run it last time. Come, get going. Get going. Good. Good. And canter when you're ready. Forward, lazy cow. Good, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, forward to trot and change your stick. That was your fault, alright? Yeah, on the wrong leg. Why not? Hey? No, but that's the respect you want when you ride, you know what I mean? But get up. Good, you feel that? Yep. And then when she's going, you leave her alone and that's enough. Yep. Get up. And then in your mind or your voice, you can say, get up. And she goes, oh shit, there comes the whip. You know what I mean? Yep. Yep. Yeah, you feel that? Yep. Super. Yep, get going. Get quicker, quicker. Wait, wait. Good. Good, and canter when you're ready. Good, canter. Oh, shut up. She can talk and work.